On the 19th of June in 2020, the Australian Federal Government Education Minister, Dan Tehan, announced a proposed series of changes to the ways in which federal government funds Australia's universities. This proposed package needs to be approved by both houses of Australia's Parliament before enactment. The so-called Job Ready Graduates package claims that the changes aim to deliver more job-ready graduates in disciplines and in regions where they are needed most, and to help drive the nation's economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. Minister Tehan appeared on ABC News outlining the reforms in the context of COVID-19 and the current and deepening recession. He said, "We are facing the biggest employment challenge since the Great Depression, and the biggest impact will be felt by young Australians. They are relying on us to give them the opportunity to succeed in the jobs of the future." In this part of the forum, we want to take up a number of concerns with this development and its relation to wider, already existing concerns about the sort of education, training, skills and capabilities that are of value in education systems across countries like Australia. The sort of education, training and skills that are of value in the context of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, the climate crisis, and also what a green economy offers in terms of jobs and the rise of precarious and gig work for young people. Our aim is to invite discussion and contributions to what this debate, provoked by the announcement of the package, says about things such as skills, job readiness, choice, employability, and importantly, what are the purposes of education and training. The skills and capabilities agenda is itself problematic in that it focuses mostly on the supply side of the jobs market, on the skills and capabilities that an individual young person brings or doesn't bring to an engagement with work. This focus says little about work, about labour market opportunities in different places, about work practices, about labour relations, power, privilege, and marginalisation in a world of work which is increasingly precarious and dominated by gig work. And the skills and capabilities agenda privileges what employers want, what businesses want, when employers and businesses should be seen as just one of many stakeholders in debates and discussions about skills and capabilities, about life and work, and about the roles that education and training have in developing those capabilities, about preparing young people for becoming somebody. These challenges are amplified in a COVID normal world of emerging economic recession and ongoing crisis. So, what should education and training look like in 2025?